Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move on next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, as I've already told you, that there is a clear pattern forming towards an upside. Okay, why? What we have seen clarity in that because see, U pattern is forming, after that there is a fall, and then I have told you that if the price keep moving above a level of $2.6, then it was a probability that it can go further upside, because yesterday what we have seen, it has closed at a level of 2.59 and this clear pattern now supporting. So if the price keep moving above this level, we can see it can go further upside. Okay, keeping a stop loss of around for 2.59, because this is the half zone, 2.6 is the half the previous zone, so chances can be high that if the price keep moving up this level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, so probability can be high, it can touch a level of 2.8, and once started going up that level, it can cross a level of around $2.85, which is already weak. After that, it can cross a level of around 2.97. This 2.97 is already being weak, so chances are high it will cross that level and will go further upside. See, this is the half the zone which is already being a weak resistance, so chances are as soon as the price started hitting this level, we can see a further upside movement for the price of natural gas. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, first, previously you have to understand how the natural gas price moves mostly. Okay, it was moving in a zone of $3 and $2 for a long period of time, you can say for around 8 months. Okay, compared to this what we have seen in 2023, I'm telling you, previously I'm not telling you. Okay, why? Because you have to understand how the price is moving. So once started going above a level of $3.6, then we can see the probability that how the previous years where the price of natural gas has moved will play an important role if it crosses above a level of 3.6. But as of now, it is above a level of 2.5, so chances can be high for the upside movement we can see. If you look at the dollar index also, you will see clearly that how the price of dollar index has moved, because what we have seen in the dollar index, that the price of dollar index move upside, that is where the price of natural gas come down. But now the dollar index started going down, because see, there is a clear pattern forming, two patterns are forming in the dollar index. Okay, and you have to understand they are inversely related, natural gas versus, okay, dollar index. Okay, so when the price of dollar index started going high, we see natural gas price come down, and when the dollar started going up, we have seen it comes down, and when it goes down, then the natural gas price move upside. This is what we have seen. Okay, now it is below a level of 104.5, and chances can be high it can cross a level of around 104.1 also, and it can go below a level of 104 also, because there is a clear pattern forming towards down. Okay, so probability is higher that the dollar indexes start going down, so we can see other commodities can also move upside. And see, this is one of the factor I'm telling you, probability is higher. But if you look at the U pattern, so if the price started going above level of 104.8, then a probability of further upside movement we can see, but it has to sustain above level of 104.5, then only we can see it can touch this level, and this particular pattern will support. But as of now, overall trend is downside for dollar index. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Now see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can touch a level of around $2.76. If the price keep moving above this level, chances of touching a level of 2.85 we can see. Once the price started going above that particular zone, chances of crossing that level we can see, and then it can touch a level of 3.0169, and from there it can cross a level of around $3.15. Okay, this 3.15 is already being weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that level, and yes, after that it can touch a level of 3.35, and from there this level of around 3.5 we can see, and then it can cross a level of 3.6. Okay, and the probability is higher that as soon as the price started going above level of 3.5, we can see it can cross a level of 3.6 also. Now understand, as I've already explained you, market is always uncertain. If you think that the market will move as per you, no, it will not. So you have to understand, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it has already made a swing at this level. Okay, but what we have seen, it has already formed a swing at this particular level. First it was at this level, now it has this particular level, chances are high it can go further upside. but I have to explain you if the price didn't sustain what we can see. Suppose the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards $2.6314, and there is a gap we can see at this level, as you can see. So probability is high that if can cross and come touch a level of 2.6347, and once the price started going below that particular zone, we can see it will come down towards a level of $2.5668. Okay, and if that level move further down, we can see it will touch a level of $2.5252. Okay, and if the price keep moving below that particular zone, chances are high that we can see it will touch a level of 2.45074. Okay, and if that level move further down, we can see it will touch a level of 2.38. Suppose if the price started going below that particular zone, chances of touching a level of around 2.2796 will be there, and if that level didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards $2.1565. Okay, $2.1565, and once started moving below that particular zone, we can see it will touch a level of around 2.0769. Okay, and if the price keep falling below that level, a further fall we can see, because it will come in the zone. Okay, so once the price started going below level $1.8709, a further fall we can see. So keep it in mind, as soon as the price started hitting below a level of $2, a further downfall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'm giving the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,